Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 34, ordering three-digit numbers and listing combinations. So here I have a column of numbers. So each number would be read like this: 159, 195, 519, 591, 915, and 951. If you notice, all of these numbers are made using the same three digits. They all use a 1, a 5, and a 9. But are they all the same number? No, they're not, because they're all written in different orders. So the smallest number is 159. And we know that because my hundreds place has a 1, and 1 is smaller than the other numbers. My largest number is 951 because 9 is the biggest hundreds and 5 is the biggest tens. Okay? So to make the different numbers, I just mixed up the digits. And I could make 6 different numbers with 3 digits. So when we write numbers, let's say I have the smallest one-digit number that I have is 0. So if I have 3 digits and one of them is 0, so let's say that I have 0, 2, and 1, I can only make a couple different numbers because I cannot start a number with 0. Okay, that just means there's nothing there. Okay, so let's look at these. So my smallest one-digit number is 0. The largest one-digit number is 9. So my smallest two-digit number is going to be a 1 and a 0. Why isn't it 0, 1? Well, that's because the number 0, 1 is the same as 1, and that's a one-digit number. So the smallest two-digit number is 10. The largest two-digit number is 99. All right, so next, what is the largest two-digit number using each digit only once? So I can't use 99 because that's using 2 9s. So the largest two-digit number I can get and only use each number once would be 98. All right, what's my smallest three-digit number? That's going to be 100. What's my largest three-digit number? That'll be 999. Now, what's the smallest three-digit number using each digit only once? So 100 is the smallest, but I use 2 ones, so it can't, or 2 zeros. It can't be that. The next number is 101, but that uses 2 ones, so that can't be the smallest if I use each digit once. So it has to be 102. 102 is the smallest three-digit number using each digit only once. Okay, so then what's the largest three-digit number using each digit only once? So the largest number is 999. That uses a digit more than once. Then I would have 998, but that uses a digit more than once. 997, can't be that because again I'm still using 2 9s. So it's going to have to be 980 something. So it can't be 989. And it can't be 988. That uses it twice. So the smallest three-digit number has to be 987 if I want to use the digits only once. Okay. All right, so here I have 3 different numbers, 1, 3, and 6. And I want to make as many three-digit numbers as possible using these numbers. And I can only use these numbers once. Okay. So I'll have 136 or 163. So that uses 1 first. Now I'm going to use the 3 first. 316 and 361. So that's using the 1 first and the 3. So now I'm going to use the 6 first. So I have 613 or 631. So I have a total of 6 numbers I can make with these 3 digits. What's the smallest number? My smallest number is 136. And my largest number is 631. Okay, what about if I use a 2, a 4, and a 7? So the numbers I can make 247, 247. I could do 274 or 274. That's using 2 first. Now let's use the 4. I can do 427 or 472. And then finally using the 7 first. So I have 724 or 742. Okay. And those are all the different numbers I can make using 2, 4, and 7. What about 3, 8, and 0? Well, I can make, and I want to make 3-digit numbers. So I can make 380. Can I make can I use 038? I can't, because this is just a 2-digit number. You cannot have 0 at the beginning of a 3-digit number. Okay, so I have 380. I have 308. I have 830 and 803. So when we have, if one of our digits is a 0, then I can only make 4 different combinations. Hey, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.